My seller clients accepted a firm offer that was priced $17,000 less than an offer that was conditional on home inspection. Now, regardless how serious a buyer, a conditional offer gives them a chance to back out of the deal and renegotiate the price. My sellers knew that there was nothing wrong with the house, but they couldn't take the chance. Now, what is it that they could have done to get a firm offer from the higher priced buyer too? Hey everyone, it's Gourav Khatri and I help people buy, sell, and invest in real estate all over the GTA. And in today's video, I'm going to go over some of the benefits of getting a home inspection done before listing your home to sell, and how it can not only get you firm offers, but also top dollar. So let's get to it. Making repairs. A home inspection will reveal lots of hidden things about your home. Some of these things can be fixed at a small cost, while some will require lots of money. But once you get the report, you can start making the necessary repairs and display the receipts showing what repairs have been made. I remember this property where my friend was a listing agent. They accepted an offer conditional on home inspection. The home inspection did not come back with anything major, just some small things that could have been fixed for $500. But the buyers used that as an excuse to subtract $12,000 from the purchase price. Of course, the sellers didn't take that, but this whole scenario could have been avoided if they would have done a home inspection in advance. In addition to helping you, a pre-listing home inspection report also helps the buyers prepare and budget themselves for the upcoming expenses. Setting expectations. For every seller, their house is the best house on the market, and they will try to get more money than the highest one that sold in their neighborhood. But we all know that not all houses are the same, and most agents struggle to relay the bad news that your house may not be worth as much as you think. I too was in a similar situation in the beginning years of my real estate career. My seller clients had very high expectations on the sale price of their home due to the fact that it was a seller's market. I knew that the property needed quite a bit of work. So before listing the property, I suggested that we do a pre-listing home inspection. The sellers were confident that there was nothing wrong with their house and that it only needed a facelift. The inspection report came back suggesting it needed more than just a facelift. The roof needed to be changed, the furnace was as good as gone, there were signs of flooding in the kitchen and a whole bunch of other stuff. It was an eye-opener for the sellers because that changed our conversation completely. They knew how much money a potential buyer would need to spend on the house, and that helped me set realistic price expectations for them. Now, I didn't just do that to make my life easy. When listing a home, you only get one chance to make a good first impression. And if the sellers had listed the property at the price they had originally wanted, it most likely wouldn't have sold as fast. And the longer a property sits on the market, the more it makes the buyers wonder what could be wrong with it. They then start experimenting with lowball offers, and the sellers get anxious, wanting to sell quickly, thus accepting a bad offer. By the way guys, please make sure to give me a quick thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep getting regular updates on my latest content. Trust from buyers. In a seller's market where there is a shortage of supply and most listings are getting multiple offers, buyers have no choice but put in a firm offer without knowing what they're getting themselves into. And then a few days later, you read news articles about buyers who had to spend thousands of dollars on repairs on a property they bought without a home inspection. That's why buyers are skeptical about homes, because for many of them, buying a home is the most money they will ever spend in a single purchase. If they suspect that your home may have some hidden defects, then that will reflect in their offer price. A pre-listing home inspection basically eliminates that because they get a clear picture of what they're getting into. Additionally, it builds confidence among buyers because sellers would not want a buyer to look at a pre-listing home inspection report if there was something drastically wrong with the house. I constantly work with buyers who tell me they don't want to look at a pre-listing home inspection report because if the sellers are confident enough to provide it, it most likely means that there is nothing wrong with the house. Firm offers. When buying a house, it is very common for buyers to make an offer conditional on a satisfactory home inspection report. If the report comes with some major defects, then the buyers renegotiate the price or walk away from the deal, thus making the house come back on the market. In a seller's market, buyers will come with firm offers but hold back a little money to account for repairs. This can be avoided if there's a pre-listing home inspection. Going back to my client's story, once we listed the home, we received two offers within a week of listing. One was lower price but firm, and the other was higher price but conditional on home inspection. My clients wanted the higher price, but if the deal fell through a week later, it would make everyone wonder what is wrong with the house. And who knows if the other offer would even offer the same price again. So what I did was I provided them with our pre-listing home inspection report, and the higher priced buyer firmed up immediately. And that is how it helps you as a seller. It gets you close to a firm offer and sometimes even a higher price. When selling your home, you need to remove as many potential obstacles as you can. You cannot get rid of the financing condition because it is not up to you, but a home inspection condition is definitely something you can control. Makes your life easy. Disclosure is a huge part of a transaction. You are legally required to disclose any hidden defects about a home that you may know of, and buyers tend to take advantage of this law. For example, if after closing on the property, the buyers find out that there is a crack in the foundation, they can try to ask you for compensation, claiming that you knew about it but did not disclose, even though you had no idea. A pre-listing home inspection report would have intimated that, and yes, you would have gotten a little less money, but it would be worth avoiding the legal issues you may get into later on. Let me know in the comments what you think about getting a pre-listing home inspection done before selling a home.